Elevate your crafting experience with the Beadsmith's range of precision scissors, essential for sewing, embroidery, quilting, and various needle crafts. Thread snips are specialized scissors featuring finely pointed sharp blades designed for meticulous cutting, ensuring clean and precise results. The ergonomic spring action handles produce the tension of repetitive motion, making them comfortable for extended use. Looking for your ultimate crafting companion? Our embroidery scissors, with durable stainless steel blades that offer long-lasting performance and precision, are designed for both needle crafts and broader DIY projects. You can discover the timeless craftsmanship of Chinese design with our precision thread cutting scissors, adept at cutting everything from delicate silk to sturdy sheet metal. The precision tip and finely pointed design guarantees meticulous cutting, delivering clean and precise results for your sewing and crafting projects. Whether you're cutting fabric, thread, cardstock, ribbon, or even tough plastic packaging, our multi-purpose scissors feature durable stainless steel blades ensuring long-lasting performance, and their compact size makes them ideal for intricate work. With comfortable grips and a finely pointed design, these scissors deliver clean, precise cuts every time. No matter the DIY project, the Beadsmith's range of precision scissors will cut out the competition.